Heb je die venster opgemaakt? Vandara? En toe? Vandara?
Hier.
Yeah, bantu, bendinixelele. Bendinixelele ndathi kuni.
Okay, go back inside and open the door that you locked. Careful, don't break the other window.
Busy is there now. You just hit him with a shotgun. Lekker.
Ja, woody.
Done. Be hanging out the window. Can you bloody believe it? Huh? I can't even do that.